Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Muhammad Rafi Zufar Sopian. I will explain my opinion about smoking on campus. Smoking in the campus area is strictly prohibited because it disturbs the comfort of others and also damages the health of passive smokers. This is dangerous because because cigarette the lungs and affect breathing. The, be- the behavior of smokers is caused by addiction to smoking, often which initially started as after following parents who smoke and first who invite you to smoke. My suggestion that I can give is that every public place, so, as in the campus environment of Bina Sarana Informatika, where there are many people who do activities in the campus environment, such as student, lecturers, and campus management rank should no consume cigarettes is just any place. Moreover, with the dedication of director smokers at Bina Sarana Informatika should be more concurred in campus can provide special facilities for active smokers at the Bina Sarana Informatika campus by creating one special room for active smokers to be able to smoke. The campus can provide a new policy in the form of allowing campus residents to smoke in a room that has been specially provided so that active smokers are no longer seen smoking careless and campus. Most human opinion about poverty and unemployment describe the negative slate, namely smokers who smoke regardless of class. Thus poverty and unemployment are very identical, dirty, shabby, difficult to control, undescribed, caused by the low quality of human records, which I also cause in the discipline. Bahasa Indonesianya yaitu, perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Rafi Zufar Sofian. Saya akan membahas tentang pendapat saya tentang merokok di daerah kampus. Rokok di daerah kampus sangat tidak diperbolehkan karena mengganggu kenyamanan orang lain dan juga merusak kesehatan perokok pasif. Contohnya, orang yang di sekitar kita menghirup asap rokok kita. Hal ini membahayakan karena asap rokok mengandung zat berbahaya yang dapat merusak paru-paru. Hal-hal yang menyebabkan kecanduan rokok mempengaruhi pernafasan dan penyakit paru-paru. Merokok, gimana sih caranya mengurangi rokok untuk para pelajar? Yaitu cara mengurangi merokok setiap hari yaitu dengan cara mengurangi rokok di setiap hari, contohnya dikurangin sehari 1 minimal. Berhenti merokok dapat dilakukan dengan obat-obatan serta program yang dilaksanakan oleh kampus, yaitu program disiplin mahasiswa. Saran saya yaitu berikan setiap tempat di daerah kampus seperti lingkungan kampus Bina Sarana Informatika yang terdapat banyak orang yang melakukan aktivitas di lingkungan kampus seperti mahasiswa, dosen, dan jajaran kepengurusan kampus, maka seharusnya tidak mengkonsumsi ngerokok di sembarangan tempat. Apalagi dengan adanya putusan rektor, seharusnya perokok di Universitas Bina Sarana Informatika dapat lebih diperduli lagi. Pada pihak kampus dapat memberikan fasilitas khusus pada perokok, yaitu membuat ruangan khusus bagi perokok aktif untuk dapat melakukan aktivitasnya merokok. Sebagian besar pendapat manusia mengenai kemiskinan dan pengangguran menggambarkan sisi negatif, yaitu perokok yang merokok memandang tempat. Dengan demikian, kemiskinan, pengangguran sangatlah identik dengan kotor, kumuh, sulit diatur, tidak disiplin, dan sumber kecanduan kejahatan di masyarakat. Hal ini juga disebabkan oleh kualitas sumber daya manusia yang rendah, yang juga menjadi penyebab ketidakdisiplinan. Itu saja menurut saya. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rafi Zufar Sofian. Saya di sini akan membahas tentang present tense. Using present tense, report writing skill. Objective: to identify and use present tense is report writing by understanding its purpose. When writing a report, present tense is used to express general truths, facts, or conclusions supported by research results that are unlikely to change. In other words, something that is believed to be always true. Verbs: when sharing information, you're not retelling event but stating information. Can you see the difference in verb usage in the following sentence? The sunrise rose in the east. The polar bear swim in the Arctic Ocean. Adjective and adverbs: when describing characteristic or qualities of a subject, use present tense, adjective, and adverbs. For example, instead of saying the building was tall and imposing, you could say the building is tall and imposing. Present tense vocabulary is are, has, it works, represents, describes, depicts, show, indicates, illustrates, portrays, profits, displays, exhibits. Can you identify the present tense vocabulary used? Animals are classified into species types. Youth depict a time of vitality and good health. Hippos are actually herbivores, meaning they only feed on plants. Sometimes exceptions arise if a fact is absolutely linked to some point in the past. Often historical facts are written about using past tense, as they literally happened is the past. The writing refers to present tense. China was estimated population was 1.4.786.786 at the end of 2019 in the most populous country in the world. In summary, report text classify, explain, describe, and give factual information about people, animal, things, or phenomena. For the mark that are written in present tense with only a few exceptions. Thank you. Terima kasih.